Ever wondered what it's really like to work with a realtor when buying or selling a home? First up, the property search. Expect your realtor to be your personal property scout. They'll use the MLS to find homes matching your criteria, send you listings, and schedule showings. This often involves a lot of back and forth communication to narrow down your options. During showings, realtors provide valuable insights about the property, neighborhood, and potential issues. They're your expertise and ears. Don't be afraid to ask questions. That's what they're there for. Now comes the exciting part: negotiations. Your realtor will act as your advocate, helping you craft offers and counteroffers to get the best possible deal. Whether you're buying or selling, they'll explain the jargon and guide you through the strategies. Paperwork. It's a mountain, but your realtor will help you navigate it all. From contracts to disclosures, they'll ensure everything is filled out correctly and submitted on time. Finally, ongoing support. Your realtor isn't just there for the big moments. They're a resource throughout the entire process, answering questions, providing referrals to other professionals like inspectors or contractors, and generally keeping you informed. Expect them to be your go-to person for all things real estate.